Can you believe that a 30-second video about a little penguin accidentally pressing a mysterious machine and then triggering a series of crazy events can get millions of views? Sounds insane, right? But that's exactly what's happening on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and Facebook Reels right now. And here's the crazy part. Most of these videos aren't being made by huge animation studios. A lot of them are created entirely with AI. If you're into powerful AI tools that can save you time and even help you make money online, make sure to subscribe to JACKY AI Flow right now. And stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to share a simple trick that can help you generate hundreds of video ideas without ever running out of content. Short, funny, dialogue-free animated videos are absolutely exploding all over the internet right now. And they all have one thing in common. They make people curious. Will the character escape the mess they're in? Will something completely unexpected happen at the end? Will there be a crazy plot twist? That curiosity keeps viewers watching until the very last second, and that's exactly why the YouTube algorithm loves this type of content. In today's video, I'm going to show you the entire process from start to finish. You only need a few AI tools and a little bit of creativity. If you've ever thought, making animated videos must be super difficult, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll realize it's way easier than you think. The first tool we're going to use is ChatGPT. All you need to do is paste in a prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, AI can generate multiple story ideas for you. For example, a curious cat discovers a machine that turns toys into monsters. A tiny bird opens a portal to a giant candy kingdom. A mischievous rabbit accidentally wakes up a magical snowman. See what I mean? Just the ideas alone are enough to create hundreds of videos. What I love most is that ChatGPT doesn't just give you story ideas. It can also generate image prompts, video prompts, scene transitions, character actions, and movements. Basically, AI is doing almost all of the creative heavy lifting for us. Now let's jump over to Google Flow. I'm going to create a new project. Choose the vertical 9:16 format because it's perfect for YouTube Shorts. Then I copy the image prompt for the first scene, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. A few seconds later, you get a frame that honestly looks like it came straight out of a professional animated movie. The lighting, the character expressions, the environment details, everything looks incredibly impressive. Now let's jump over to Google Flow. I'm going to create a new project. Choose the vertical 9:16 format because it's perfect for YouTube Shorts. Then I copy the image prompt for the first scene, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. A few seconds later, you get a frame that honestly looks like it came straight out of a professional animated movie. The lighting, the character expressions, the environment details, everything looks incredibly impressive. Once the first image is ready, I click Add to the statement. This step is really important. It helps the AI maintain the same art style in the following scenes. If you skip this step, your characters might suddenly look completely different from one scene to another. And trust me, we definitely don't want that. Next, I go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for Scene 2, paste it into Flow, click Generate, then simply repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Once all of the images are finished, it's time to turn them into actual videos. I go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, then head back into Google Flow. Select the first image as the starting frame. After that, choose Video, 9:16 aspect ratio, 10-second duration, motion generation model. Paste in the prompt, click Generate, and now the AI starts animating the scene for you. I repeat the same process for the rest of the scenes. If this is your first time trying it, don't worry. Just follow along one step at a time. After 1 or 2 projects, you'll get comfortable with the workflow really quickly. And do you know the best part? You don't need years of animation experience. You don't need expensive software. AI is doing the hardest part for you. Once all the scenes are finished, I simply open CapCut, drag the clips onto the timeline, arrange them in order, add a few fun sound effects, maybe throw in some light background music. And just like that, you have a complete animated short video. Honestly, the first time I did this, I had to watch it a few times because I couldn't believe that an entire animated video had been created with AI in just a few minutes. This is exactly why this type of content is blowing up right now. You can create new characters, new stories, new funny situations. Every single day, you can upload a completely different video, and you'll almost never run out of ideas. That's a huge opportunity for anyone who wants to build an AI-powered YouTube Shorts channel. If you'd like me to share more viral AI niches, content automation strategies, and powerful AI tools that can help you create content faster, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, and leave a comment below to let me know what kind of AI content you'd like to see next. If I was able to do this, trust me, you can too, and you'll probably do it even better. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next video here on JACKY AI Flow.